case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A case in which a question on technicalities of international cargo shipping emerged was carried to the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit in 2000. Nissan Fire and Marine Insurance vs. Fritz Companies, Inc. These intricacies evolved around the necessity for written notification of any damage or loss within an established time frame, along with consequences of failing to do so, as dictated by the Warsaw Convention. The dispute at hand dramatically impacted the distribution of responsibility for any required reparations. The seeds of contention were sown when Hitachi Data Systems Corp., along with their insurer, Nissan Fire and Marine Insurance Company Limited, came to heads with Fritz Company, Inc. and Tower Air Inc. due to a total loss of goods in transit. Initially, the verdict by the district court favored Fritz and Tower. Still, the tides turned when the decision was later found to be flawed and consequently overturned. Flashing back to June 1995, Hitachi had elected Fritz, a freight forwarder, to facilitate the shipment of a disk drive from Miami to Buenos Aires. With Tower responsible for the airborne part of the transportation, the disk drive voyaged to its intended destination, only to arrive in a state of irreparable damage. What ensued was a tussle over whether Hitachi had fulfilled its obligation, as outlined by the Warsaw Convention, to notify Fritz and Tower of this tragic loss within the stipulated time frame. The court, upon review, decided to pull Fritz's case back into the trenches and roll back their victory. It declared Fritz's summary judgment reversed and sent the dispute back for reconsideration. Conversely, Tower emerged relatively unscathed. Their summary judgment remained in effect, though affidavits that Hitachi and Nissan threw into the simmering pot were shunned as evidence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.